Hello to all dear bidders and buyers of the Stockler community. We meet today for a new lot of sold by the seller Grover, whom you know very well by now. It is the leader in a high-tech rental in Europe, and you know them well on Stockler as well, since they have sold more than 40,000 products this year on the marketplace. And today we have a lot of smartphones in functional used quality. So I remind you, 100% of the products are functional, but may show slight cosmetic wear and tear. So in this lot we will find, we'll show you the palette later, but here it's a sample we've taken out, but we have Samsung Galaxy, we have Xiaomi, we have Huawei, we have OnePlus, we have Google Pixel, always with products of very high value and thus resale value. If you want, we can take a look at some products together. Typically here Galaxy Z Flip 5 in its original packaging, so that's really a nice thing. The phone functional second hand, so very few signs of wear, maybe a bit of dirt on top, but nothing very noticeable. A slight potentially scratch here due to wear, but the product is apparently in perfect condition. On the back, same, the cameras, the lenses are in perfect condition. No major marks, maybe scratches here, but there you go. So a product seemingly in very good condition. So what can we look at? And maybe this one as well, the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G. So a very nice model, also in terms of value in its original packaging. So it's rare and worth noting. So a great thing, slight marks on the front from dirt and maybe wear as well. And apparently on the back, the same, there might be slight marks here slightly on the model. So products overall in very good condition. So these are products from rentals, generally between 1 to 3 rentals over 1 to 5 years. What we can do is invite you near the palette. So in this batch, as I was saying, you'll find Samsung, Xiaomi, Huawei, OnePlus Pro with a number of models. I really encourage you to look at the detailed listing of the batch to see which references are included in the batch. The products are located in Lers in the north of France. Feel free to request transport quotes. Above all, the operation ends at the end of the year, so I really encourage you to place your bids now. Go ahead and don't hesitate if you have any questions to use the chat. See you soon on Stockler.